The OnePlus 13T is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact flagship smartphones of 2025, blending premium hardware with a smaller form factor that's increasingly rare in today's market. Expected to launch in April or May 2025, the 13T features a 6.31-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for users who value both sharp visuals and fluid interactions without the bulk of larger phones. Powering the device is the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring top-tier performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or pushing the limits with demanding apps. The camera system is equally impressive, featuring a 50MP main sensor, Sony IMX906, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, perfect for capturing detailed shots and portraits with natural depth. Despite its compact size, the OnePlus 13T doesn't compromise on battery life. It houses a massive 6,000 mAh battery supported by 80W SuperVOOC fast charging, ensuring quick top-ups and all-day endurance. On the software side, it runs Oxygen OS 15, based on Android 15, offering a clean, fast, and highly customizable user experience packed with the latest features and system optimizations. With an expected price range of $499 to $599, the OnePlus 13T presents itself as an attractive option for users who want flagship-grade specs in a more pocket-friendly design, without the premium price tag.